Hi, I'm Hillary with the Outdoor Great Room Company, and today we will be installing our new Crystal Fire Plus burner for liquid propane. Every Crystal Fire Plus burner is UL listed for safety, made of commercial grade 304 stainless steel, and features a fully adjustable flame. The patent-pending design offers better performance for the same energy input and produces a taller, brighter, and more yellow flame. All Crystal Fire Plus burners feature a variable control safety valve with safety ignition and safety shutdown operations. For this installation, you will need work gloves, safety glasses, a utility knife, 2 adjustable wrenches, a 10mm wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, 1 AAA battery, and corrosion-free leak check solution, which you can find at any local hardware store. Open the box and carefully remove and inspect all components. Your Crystal Fire Plus burner with UL rating label and variable control safety valve system, a sparker, natural gas conversion kit, the instruction manual, clear glass gems, and a control panel. If you are installing your Crystal Fire Plus burner into a custom or DIY application, you can use this control panel included. If you are installing into a fire table, you will not need this extra control panel. Now let's install the sparker. Push the sparker through the backside of the control panel. Hand tighten the plastic nut onto the sparker. Insert 1 AAA battery and screw on the cap. The Crystal Fire Plus burner will come set up for liquid propane. Tighten the existing connections using 2 adjustable wrenches. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, screw the variable control safety valve onto the control panel using the 2 included screws. Put the control knob on the valve stem. Connect the igniter and ground wire into the back of the sparker. The wires can be inserted into either connection point. Carefully uncoil the thermocouple and hand tighten the connection to the variable control safety valve. Finish tightening with a 10mm wrench. Now finish placing your burner into the unit and spread glass media over the burner surface. For successful operation, make sure to keep the wind guard enclosure on your burner free of any glass media. Verify there is a visible spark inside the wind guard by pushing in the sparker button. You should also hear a ticking sound. Connect your liquid propane regulator hose to your LP tank. Apply your leak check solution to all connection points between the underside of the burner and the LP tank. With the variable control safety valve in the off position, slowly open the valve on the LP tank. If any bubbles are present after application, retighten connections using adjustable wrenches and try again. If no leaks are present, the fire pit is ready for operation and final leak check. To light your fire pit, turn the valve to the low position. Press and hold the sparker button. Push in the knob and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds after your fire pit has lit. Then release the knob and sparker. Now verify that no bubbles are present on the outlet connections of the valve or burner orifice. If bubbles do appear, immediately turn the variable control safety valve to the off position and turn off your gas source before tightening all connections. If no bubbles appear, your unit is ready for normal operation. Wipe off excess leak check solution from all connections. Once lit, the flame is fully adjustable. To turn off your unit, simply turn the variable control safety valve to the off position and turn off your gas source. From all of us at the Outdoor Great Room Company, thank you for following along, and we hope you enjoy many nights around the fire. The Outdoor Great Room Company is focused on bringing the best and safest products to market. We continue to introduce new and innovative products year after year. Let the Outdoor Great Room Company help to define your outdoor experience. We set the trends outside while providing innovative technology, safe yet stylish products, and reliable and friendly service. From concept to design to delivery, we will ensure your style doesn't stop at the back door. Distinctive products for a distinctive lifestyle. Bring home outside.